What's up, YouTube?
It's your girl Nisha.
And your girl Nia.
Today we're not nice up nothing because it is day 4. We're on day 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so it is. The challenge for today is nature walk, something fun, something adventurous.
Exciting.
Yes. So today we're going to take you on a journey with us through the park. We're going to have a walk through our park.
Yeah.
It's not a park, guys. Just watch out and see. Yeah. So we are taking you through the woods. Wanna see so in our bush?
So, guys, remember to go and watch Topswaggtv for his nature walk.
The Morris's and Munroe
Culture TV
and Manstarock. So check them out, guys.
Yes, guys. They are going to in the description down below.
Yeah. So yeah. So without no further ado, let's go trekking.
Our nature walk
In the park. Mata there, so bugu there, so boo. What did I say?
No.
Mata there, so.
I saw. Matter they are so.
Mata there, so. Bugu there, so. Boo. Alright, now watch nothing now. We start with journey. If I hear them say shortcut draw blood, but no blood not gonna draw today. We are good on in one shortcut there.
So, we're not going to I don't know where we're at. But we're going on a journey. A far journey. I'm not going to say pretty things down or go and say which part is so. I'm say, oh, it's a beautiful place with a beautiful view. We're not get nice view and everything. And then we're going to show you our little fun where we're going to have later.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys.
In a door then say, what's that then? Come on, bomb is off. Something like that. Everybody, let's go. Come on, we can do it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going?
Where are we going? Nature walk. Where are we going? Nature. Where are we going? Nature walk. Where are we going? Nature walk. Yeah.
And then
Toop 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 toop. Alright. Toop 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 toop. Alright. Alright, guys. Look, we're going. Yeah. And I hope you guys will enjoy this walk. Yes. Look at the greenery. Yes. The green parish. Yes, yes. Whew. All right, guys, we're going to take you to a spot. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're out for
Guys, I never drop a while ago. Not like
So actually, when water gone, we use the spring, but we don't drink it. We only use it to do some stuff like wash plate, beard, wash, etc. Yes. So.
all right, guys. You realize near Avant Green stand for nature, you know. Nature. Yes, so here we are at the spring.
Normally people come here and wash and then after the get
Yes.
bathroom.
Yes. So here is not really a populated area,
Yeah.
but persons who live here, they use this water for washing. You know, because we're not getting a lot of rainfall now. There's not a lot of water today. Yes.
But it gone way down.
Yeah. So persons, they use this water for washing and all of that. And persons who are building houses, they use it for their construction and all of that. Yes. So this, our natural source of water.
But we clean it out when we're ready.
Yeah.
We clean it out, short the wall of the water and dig it down more. But it has been a long while now still. So when the boy didn't expect and then we can see. You must tell them see the farm up there now. Yeah. And then burn coals. You know, if you're on the countryside and using the coal to bake, cook on the rice and peas, fresh on the pork and then add meat there.
Hurry. Okay. So come with us. We're going to pick some mangoes. Yeah.
Mango, mango, mango. Mango, mango, mango. Ooh. Up here so tired, yo. Up here so literally breathe, yo. Yeah. Where am I flinging my back? People have house up here now. People have land. And them suck muddy. No, sir. Mango gone. So guys, we're on a mountain top. Not actually far from a mountain top. But up here cool and nice. Up here nice. I want to show me a view here because we had some stuff on one tree. But up here is actually
Picture perfect, right guys? Look at it. This could be a perfect picture frame. Picture perfect. Yeah. You know,
if you are from St. Thomas and you know Fort, over there, sir. Yeah, a look of view there. Fort.
yeah, look at it. Imagine having a house on this hill and looking out. Such a beauty. Yes. So guys, let's continue.
Whoa! Find one mango. And I find none. But mango is on tree.
Mango is on the tree, but guess what?
I'm wear slippers.
We can't pick them. See there? Look. You see any?
One thing with up here, mango always up here. I when mango season done. But mango tree don't ever here.
So look at the greenery. Nature. It's all about nature. It's all about the beautiful scenery all in one. Look how guys, we're sweat, we're tired.
Up here cool, me not lie.
Well, this is
Up here actually too cool. Yeah. We got bush, hills and valley. Oh, Gungu. Somebody farm. Can I see them? We'll go over the farm. Go again. Okay. Ah. Where boy? Gungu peas. Who know gungu peas? Cook Sunday dinner. I eat gungu. See, eh? Somebody call the boy. Boy, gungo. Me I come out, me I climb over this something where I go through. Go over. Alright. Ready. My slippers are drop off of my foot. Nature. Smell that burn coal skin. Look at her. She's so tired, you know. She's so tired. You see how fast she walk. She's actually so tired. Look there. And that she used to do at evening time. That's what she used to be doing in the evening. Wait, guys. I'm going to show you something. Alright? Yeah. The beautiful sea.
Picture perfect, guys. What more could you ask for in nature? Look at this. Absolutely beautiful, green and luscious. Yeah? Look, as I was saying earlier, imagine you having a house on the hill and overlooking the beautiful ocean. Oh my God. Can you imagine what I am saying, guys? I know no ear. I know no imagine. Yeah, imagine it.
You're my breed. Oh, good. No, sir.
I got food further out there.
Oh, you cannot see the sunset.
Guys, up here is so cool and so nice. Look at the greenery behind us. Oh my God, I'm sweating.
Oh, the greenery.
The greenery.
See that?
The greenery, the bush we are talking, guys. Guys are the bush. We're not talking about near close. Yes, guys, it's our nature walk, and you don't know, we have more to show you. We have a little bit of fun to give to you too, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, it's nature. We're enjoying our environment, so we're going to show you a little bit of fun side to the RN family.
Mwah.
Guys, look, me saw one mango, but we can't climb. I'm gonna try to stone it down. No watch.
Where it gone? Oh, one mango. The people are you know, and she can't pick mango. She a call me for me catch peg. If then said peg pan the land, she want me and I catch peg one time. She no want me live and me give details, you know. She want the two will live and nobody not tell the tales. Watch the pine. Wait there, see the pine there.
Look here, huh? Of course.
You can't think to save your life, you know. Look where look where's the mango and look. I walk home. Something you like something around.
Come on. Who remember this game? Alright, so on our walk, we decided to stop and have some fun. Yeah? You see on the edge of the back them so little? Alright, so watch out. Yeah. 9 boxes.
Them not even last to back them properly. The back then lean like one skirt tail. So you mark a 1. Let me show you.
Got my marker. Jump crab. Number 2.
And you almost drop.
I'm gonna get to go back in our number 1 box.
So I'm showing you now. Number 1. Go. Earth 1, 2. Okay, go. And then 4. Then jump to number 1.
You must know.
1.
You're just jumping a number 2 box.
Oh, you jump all 5. You jump to number 2 box.
You're out. You're
No,
out.
we're supposed to come back in a number 1 after.
You have to jump back in a number 1 once you pass over.
So me jump in.
Guys, she can't play hopscotch like myself here.
Me jump in a number. You know when I have scratch normally that's how we do. That's me not know nothing about no
Alright, so guys, we're walking home after our nature walk. Mosquito is actually biting, so you don't know. Yeah, but remember, you know, always check out the other channels them that are participating in the 7-day challenge. A video a day for 7 days. I'm going to also big up the vlogust crew. They are doing a video a day for 31 days. So big them up, check them out. It is hosted by Simple Carla Jones and Sassy Ren. And they have Life of Cleo, Tea Time, Florence Go Getter, Nad Sunshine, Queen Lori, and a lot more channels involved. So check them out, guys. See what they're doing for the month of August. Yeah, you. We're going to show you now a nice view on our way home.
I'm tired.
Alright, guys. Gonna see if who can reach up there first.
Wait, okay.
Alright? Go.
So, okay, guys, we're on the top of another hill. You can see the beautiful view of our team. Yes, we're going to start with the team. We can know them differently. Rich to the team, second rich.
The people want area. Wow, is beautiful. Alright? Yeah.
So guys, we have come to the end of our nature walk.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Absolutely beautiful. Picture perfect, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the journey with us. Continue to like,
Share,
comment,
subscribe if you're new.
yes, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when we drop another video. So guys, remember it's day 4. We have 3 more days to go. 3 more days, guys. So check the rest of the channel out. Remember, you remember who they are?
Topswaggtv,
The Marces and Munroe
Culture TV,
and Manstarock sound. So check them out, guys. They will have the same video but different style. You don't know that go already. So see you
in
our
next
video.
bye. Dora.
Aaron. Yes, guys. Big up on a nice clean self. Yeah, you.
Mwah.
Yeah, you. You don't know it's just something fun, something adventure, and I'm having fun. You know me as a rider.
Yummy, yum, they yummy, yum, they yummy, yummy.